In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Focusrite to Garageband. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up any Focusrite interface that you have with Garageband. So first, connect the Focusrite interface to your device. Use the USB cable provided by your Focusrite interface and connect it to your computer. Alternatively, use any sort of adapter or the other available connection methods depending on your specific Focusrite interface model, but you just need to make sure that it is connected to your computer. Alternatively, you can also opt to download the Focusrite control software available on the official website. The Focusrite control software will give you specific options related to the interface, but it isn't going to be mandatory. So now set up GarageBand. So launch GarageBand on any device and start by creating an empty project. In this area, you can already pre-select your interface as the input device and output device. All that you have to do is expand the details and you should be able to find them there. If you don't see them listed, it means that the Focusrite interface was not properly connected or detected by your computer. So try plugging it into a different USB port or troubleshooting this connection. Once this is done with the empty project, you can now choose your track type. For audio recording, you can choose microphone or instrument and choose the appropriate one for your input. You will be able to see all of the details listed, and when selecting your input, you can select either a mono input or a stereo output. If you need additional information on which one to select, I recommend looking at articles provided by Focusrite or any other sort of video. Once you choose Create, you will basically be good to go. If you are not sure of your audio settings, you can always change or check the audio input and output settings by going over to GarageBand, Preferences, and choosing Audio/MIDI. You will be able to confirm that you have the Focusrite interface listed there, and you will be able to use them. Now, the interface is selected as the input and output device, and you will be able to begin recording. Press the red button, and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Focusrite to GarageBand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.